4, r equals 6 secant theta. Now, I don't have anything to substitute for secant, but I'm going to rewrite this as r equals 6 over the cosine of theta. And then taking both sides times cosine theta, I get r cosine theta is 6. And now you can see from our substitution, that means x equals 6. So that makes this a line again, a vertical line. Number 5 is going to be very similar to 3. Take both sides times this denominator, r times 1 plus the sine of theta is 8. Or distribute r plus r sine theta is 8. Make your substitutions. R is the square root of x squared plus y squared. But this time, r sine theta is y. Okay. Now you're going to want to bring the y over. I don't want to square this with this over here, because otherwise if I FOIL it, first times first is going to lose the radical, which is really what we're going for. But then you're going to have outside, which is this times this, keeps the radical. Inside, which is this times this, keeps the radical again. Last, which is going to square this, which doesn't matter. But the O and I, when this is on the same side, kind of messes us up. So if we bring this y over here, I get the square root of x squared plus y squared equals a negative y plus 8, or I suppose you could say 8 minus y if you prefer. But now I'm going to square both sides, okay? And when I square the left side, it drops the radical. That's the reason we did it. When I square the right side, I got to FOIL it. So first times first, negative times negative is positive. Y times y is y squared. Outside times outside is minus 8y. Inside times inside is minus another 8y. So minus 16y. And then last times last is plus 64. We want to put everything on one side. So I'm going to bring this over, okay, bring this over. I'm going to bring this over, and I'm going to bring this over. And when I do, you'll notice your y squared's dropped. I'm left with x squared, bring that over, plus 16y, and bring that over, minus 64 equals 0. And I want to know what this is, okay? Notice there's an x squared term. There is not a y squared term. There's a y term, but not a y squared term. So that makes this a parabola.